Remember we talked about Miller Lite beer ornaments a while back?
Yes, I do.
This is a little video about it. It's 2 minutes, but it's still pretty cool. Oh, and we're going to get so hit with copyright stuff, but I'm still going to do it.
Never this garbage. This Christmas.
Miller Lite recently began offering drinkable Christmas ornaments.
Christmas time is turning into Miller time.
Yes. That is awesome.
We scooped some people on that because I really got a kick out of that. Some interesting stats they showed in that video. So if you're on the audio podcast, look at this when you can. I'm going to go in here and see if we can buy one today. Check back next week on 11/8/22.
Nice. So, did it say 15,000 sold in 96 seconds?
Yeah, isn't that cool?
That is crazy.
It's unbelievable. So, because usually I think, oh, they probably only made 500 because they sold it real fast. No, 15,000 is quite a bit.
Yeah, it is.
It's pretty cool. Anyway,